Pakistan vs England T20 Series 2024 4th T20 match. Schedule and best playing 11. Date 30 May. Time 10:30 PM. Barrow, London. Pakistan team playing 11. Number 1 Saim Ayub. Number 2 Mohammad Rizwan. Number 3 Babar Azam. Number 4 Fakhar Zaman. Number 5 Azam Khan. Number 6 Iftikhar Ahmed. Number 7 Shadab Khan. Number 8 Ahmed Wasim. Number 9 Shahin Afridi. Number 10 Abbas Afridi. Number 11 Nasim Shah. England team playing 11. Number 1 Phil Salt. Number 2 Josh Butler. Number 3 Johnny Bairstow. Number 4 Will Jacks. Number 5 Harry Brook. Number 6 Liam Livingstone. Number 7 Moeen Ali. Number 8 Shem Quran. Number 9 Adil Rashid. Number 10 Jupiter Archer. Number 11 Mark Wood.